Nnamdi Kanu asks court to reinstate his bail revoked in 2017. In a motion, the IPOB leader asked the court to set aside his bail revocation. The motion was filed by his lead counsel, Aloy Ejimako. Good day, my people. Welcome once again to the news channel, and this is the headlines for today. As Nnamdi Kanu has asked the court to reinstate his bail that they revoked in 2017, stating that the basis for him having to leave the country was because he was attacked in his hometown by the Nigerian army. Let's listen to the news in full. The detained leader of the proscribed indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu, has asked the Federal High Court in Abuja to restore his bail that was revoked in 2017. In a motion, the IPOB leader asked the court to set aside his bail revocation. The motion was filed by his lead counsel, Aloy Ejimako. In the motion, Kanu's lawyer said his client was falsely accused of jumping bail. In the motion, Ejimako said Kanu fled Nigeria when security agents canvassed his home, allegedly invaded his home in Abia State in an attempt to kill him. Kanu's brother, Prince Emmanuel, submitted an affidavit in support of the motion to restore the IPOB leader's bail. The motion reads, an order of this honorable court setting aside the order revoking the defendant's applicant's bail made on the false representation that the defendant had jumped his bail. An order setting aside the order of forfeiture of the bail bond of the defendant's short is made on the misrepresentation that the defendant had jumped bail and absconded from trials. An order restoring the defendant's applicant. An order restoring the defendant's bail on the same terms, which same was granted by this honorable court on 25th of April 2017. And for such order of this honorable court may deem fit to make in the circumstances of this application. The applicant was enjoying his bail when he came under attack by agents of the complainant at his home at Isiama Afaraku, Ibeku, Umuahia North local government area. Abia State, whereupon the applicant fled Nigeria in what was purely an act of self-preservation. The order setting aside the applicant's bail, the warrant of arrest, and the forfeiture of his bail bond ought to be reversed by virtue of the decision or finding of the Supreme Court. The bail of the applicant ought to be restored. In the interest of justice, in 2017, the court granted Kanu bail on the treasonable felony charges filed against him by the federal government. However, the court revoked Kanu's bail and issued a bench warrant for his arrest after he failed to present himself as required. The IPOB leader was rearrested in Kenya in 2021. My people, yes, that is the news for today. As we see that the IPOB has asked that Nnamdi Kanu has asked through his lawyers that his bail be restored, stating that the reason why he had to leave the country then was because of those that came after him, the attack on his home. And yes, that is the news. Don't forget to like this video, comment under this video, and subscribe to this channel to get more news from this channel.